Hey there, it's Christian from Best AI Reviews, and today I'm going to show you a free coupon code for Pictory that will save you money. Here's how to use the code. First, log in to your Pictory account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free trial by clicking the link in the description. Once you're logged in, click the My Subscription at the top right of the screen. This will take you to the pricing plan page. Now let me explain the different plans in simpler terms for you. Pictory has 3 plans: Standard, Premium, and Teams. The Standard plan is good if you're just starting out and want to make one video. It costs $19 per month and gives you 30 videos with up to 10 minutes of text. You also get 10 hours of video transcription, 3 branded templates, 5,000 music tracks, and different video formats to choose from. The Premium plan is the most popular one. It costs $39 per month and is for professional creators and small organizations. You can change the number of videos you want per month, but it affects the video length. If you stick with 60 videos, each can be up to 20 minutes long. If you choose 140 videos, the maximum length is 8 minutes. You also get 20 hours of video transcription, 10 branded templates, 15,000 music tracks, and more options for video resolution and format. The Teams plan is for groups of 2 or more creators who work together. It costs $99 per month, and you can adjust the number of videos and team members. The features are similar to the Premium plan, but you get more branded templates, and everyone in your team can use Pictory. To choose a plan, consider your situation. If you're an individual making content, go for the Standard or Premium plan. If you have a team, choose the Teams plan. Personally, I think the Premium plan is a good balance between features and price. It offers the most benefits and even has a cool feature called automatic voiceover synchronization that saves you time. After you've picked your plan, go to the checkout page. You'll see a spot to enter the coupon code Best AI Reviews 36. Apply the code, and you'll see the price drop by 20%. Before the discount, the Premium plan was $468 a year, but with the code, it goes down to $374. That's a savings of $93.60. If you're happy with the plan, click Proceed to finalize your purchase. And that's it. You've applied the coupon code and saved money on Pictory. I hope this helps you decide on a plan for Pictory. Remember, the code is Best AI Reviews 36. Use it to get that 20% discount. For in-depth tutorials on how to use Pictory, click on the suggested video currently displayed on the screen now.